Division patterns with multiples of 10 and 100. Quiz questions. 150 divided by 3 equals. Answer is 50. 100 divided by 10. 10. 200 divided by 20. 10. 10. 630 divided by 63 equals. 10. 1000 divided by 10. 1000 divided by 100. 2000 divided by 2. 2000 divided by 20. 3700 divided by 37. 40 divided by 10. 400 divided by 10. 4000 divided by 10. 700 divided by 70. 1400 divided by 100. 220 divided by 20. 2200 divided by 20. The owner of an electric store distributes rupee 1500 among 5 employees as a Diwali gift. What happens if the same amount is shared among 10 employees? Dash divided by 12 equals 100. 60 times dash equals 600. 7200 divided by dash equals 72. Dash times 100 equals 1000. Thank you for watching. Practice more word problems in your notebook.